Okay guys, so winter's here in the UK. It's just starting to get cold. Let's have a look with the heater on. We're at 12 with 72. Okay, so this is not a tutorial of how to install a SawDust or log burner at all. This is just a quick video to show you what I did in my shop and help you guys in the UK with some links. Save you spending ages looking for which burners to go for. You might find this interesting. I've seen some really great burners in some of the videos around the world, but I just haven't found one in the UK until now. This one's actually made locally to me, only 20 miles away. Really well made. I'm so happy with it. Can burn sawdust. You've got a vent here and just put a pipe in there, block it out. I'm actually burning some wood today just because it's not that cold and I don't want to burn for too long. But yeah, hope this helps. Okay, so we've had a move around. We've removed some benches, as you just see. Here's a new sawdust burner. Hopefully that's going to be good enough to keep the whole place warm. We're going to go up here. We might have to remove this mains 5-inch flue. Out here. So if you've got a ventilation problem, I had, I don't know if it's the height of the roof on the workshop and the way the wind blows across, but this bad boy will fix it. A link in the description to this as well, and a link to all pipework and fixings. Hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps someone this winter.